Good day! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever Miss Youtubers Funny 2019 and what we call Miss YFF 2019. I'm your host, Eden Justiate, and now I will welcome you our candidates for their introduction number. Please welcome candidate number 1, Vera Susain Estalao.
My name is Versuzain Rizalao. I believe that YouTubers Funny channel is here to make you laugh, entertain, and here to make you inspire. And I thank you.
Please welcome candidate number 2, Jusain Maria Cristana Olivar.
Jusain Maria Cristana Audarve Olivar. YouTubers Funny channel believes in the saying that the laughter is the best medicine, and I thank you.
Please welcome candidate number 3, Danyape Estalao.
Hello everyone, my name is Danyape Estalao. YouTubers Funny channel main goal is to make the world the happiest place to live in, and I thank you.
Our next stage of competition is talent portion.
Iyong pagdarandam, idalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Ika na din ang daan mo tuwid, bilang pagunita sa buwan ng wika, aking handog isang munting tula. Ako'y tutula, mahabang mahaba. Ako'y upo, tapos na po.
Please welcome candidate number 1 in their casual wear. Please welcome candidate number 2 in their casual wear. Please welcome candidate number 3 in their casual wear. Our top 2 in this competition is candidate number 1.
Yay!
And candidate number 3. Welcome our top 2 in YFF. We have one question in this final round. We begin with candidate number 1. Candidate number 3 is being soundproof, so she can hear the question. Why do you deserve to win this competition?
I believe I deserve to win this first ever Miss YFF 2019 because I am a person with high sense of responsibility and I have the humor of a good YFF as a funny person. And I thank you.
Candidate number 3. Why do you deserve to win this competition?
I believe that I deserve the title because I have immersed myself to be a better me and spread good attitude and positive vibes to our viewers, and I thank you.
YouTubers Funny 2019.